Right, so obviously I've loosened this. The next mod will be the A, B and C pillars along with the roof lining. They're all going to get done in the exact same material. Is this door card. All it is fake suede, but it's a stretchy material. This is pretty easy to do. Obviously the last couple of cars I've done obviously this sort of material, but I haven't exactly done the door cards on my previous cars. I've just basically done the headliner and the pillars. I'm also debating on whether or not I should do the glove box and this part here, which is black. I'm not exactly sure. Obviously I'll see how much material I got left. If I got material then I may as well do it, but I am debating it. The other thing I'm debating on doing is that little cubby hole compartment piece on top. I'm all doing that, and also a center console. I might get rid of this horrible material and do it in blue. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. See how much material I've got. The last video after I finish the roof line. Door cards are done already. A, B and C pillars are obviously this standard grey from factory. The B pillars, they have got the airbags, but what I've done is I've actually got blue seat belts, and the last thing I want to do is have the two blues clash, because obviously they're not far from each other, but obviously the seat belt's a darker blue and that's a lighter blue, so I don't really want them to clash. So I might even just do this in black, as well as this piece that goes along the quarterback window on both sides. And I may or may not do, zoom in, I may or may not do those pieces there and the parcel shelf. Obviously, like I said, it all depends on how much material I've got, but yeah, should look pretty decent when finished. Right, so obviously I've done the A pillars already. Gonna take these out now so I can get the visors off, because I want to change these for black visors, because I don't think they look nice if I was to do them in the same colour blue as what I'm doing the rest of the car. But yeah, I'll get that one off now, and then hopefully sort these little switches out with these lights, get them taken out, get that taken out, get the light in the middle taken out, and hopefully get the two tabs which hold the back in, those little circle pieces there, get them taken out, and hopefully the roof lining will come out after I take the handles off as well. Plus obviously the stupid little sunglass holder. Honestly, the amount of effort I've gone into just taking the headline down this far is beyond. I've got these stupid bloody clips here, which obviously hold the light in place. And obviously, don't get me wrong, they're pretty easy, but they're a bit of a bugger. So you've got to push the one in as you're pulling it out. So that's the two. And if I can get all three, I get the last one. Look at that, all four. That then comes out. What's going pretty awkward? There we go. Job's good. And right, headline is able to come out now, and then I can hopefully start putting. Oh my god, that's stuck to it. What the hell is that? Oh well, it's coming off the headline anyway. Strange. But yeah, headline is ready to come out, I hope. And then, well, put these back together. That's going to be fiddly. Right, I'll come back to you when the headline ends up. Right, so Ford didn't make that easy for me to get the headline out. So, I'll see now. I can take the C pillars in-house too, along with the A pillars, and get them done. and then get the B pillars done in black. And then I don't know, might even think about doing these in blue maybe, and 9 blue, just so it all goes together. So far so good. Obviously I haven't done the edges yet because obviously I got to pull them over because we've got the handles. It's more of a, what's the word I'm looking for? It's a groove by there, and obviously around it. So I basically got to put some glue in, put something on it, so obviously it stays in place, otherwise it doesn't. But yeah, and obviously these creases will come out when I pull the material. This just, well, like I said, fake suede. So, see, it'll come out. And that there is just all smooth, all easy in it. They'll come out when you pull the material, so they'll be non-visible. Yeah, it's just the edges now. I've got to trim it, trim it around the edge, so that way then I can start overlapping it and then gluing it to the underside. And then obviously you make all the little holes around, like the lights, the handles, the two little nubby bits by your, which was it there. So yeah, they'll obviously be cut out, or a hole be poked through them. So yeah, I'm going to leave this now, and I'm going to crack on with it possibly tomorrow when I've got an extra set of hands. Right, quick rundown. Finished cutting the material off, all the excess. I then applied glue along the edges, and then used the washing pegs to hold the edges in place while they dries. And then hopefully I can get us back in the car then and start cutting all these out, ready to fit the lights. Alright, so obviously this is the state of my car at the present moment in time. A pillars are off, B pillars are still in, C pillars are somewhat off-ish. I'm going to put the roof lining in now, and then I'm going to cut all the holes out for the lights. Alright, it's a bit of a random idea. Obviously I know I can get these off. I was wondering if I can get them off. I'll have a look now. If I can get them off, then maybe I can do them and that in the same colour as the roof. Yeah, so it turns out you actually can take it off. I'm just going to have to potentially bond it back on when I'm finished with it. Yeah, so I think that same colour blue. If it works, it works. If it don't, well, tough shit. Alright, so this is the A-pillar finished, the headliner finished. I didn't get around to doing the B and the C pillars because they're going black. And obviously you've got the door trim, the quarter trims on both sides, they're done.